We are presently looking at two houses that are sharing one large driveway. The objective is to separate and to distinct the two properties. As you can see here to the left side, this is the actual project in question. The idea is to take those steps in the back and to terrace them down in front of the car, and to relocate this garage door to the front side of the street by removing this tree, and to place the garage door right there in this location. So we would excavate all of this work, remove all the trees, and to enter the garage in this direction. Okay. The scope of the work as far as the house is concerned, the front wall where you see the shutters on the outside would be moved forward in line with the house next door. So in fact, that wall that you're looking at would be in line with the corner of the garage. And this wall to the right of it would then be bumped out so that it is in face with this right over here. So we're enlarging that bedroom up above. Okay, perhaps maybe even cantilevering a roof, you know, a small little roof overhang, just as a decorative roof instead of one flat wall. Okay. Inside the garage, you have a small storage area that is a concrete wall, and it's retaining soil underneath. And right here, the concept is to construct a pair of steps going to and from the house, so that way you're not having to exit the house in order to enter the garage. Once again, this garage door gets eliminated and filled in with block wall. And then this whole area will get re-landscaped so that you have an attractive terraced step, because coming up to the house in this manner is quite challenging. So we want to obviously change this design. As we come into the house, to the right, there is, behind this wall and behind that window, is a powder room that we want to extend out this way, so that way when the terrace steps come, the terrace steps will come down into the front yard. Okay, coming back. So at present, this is the powder room that we would want to enlarge going in this direction, and then eventually try to include a separate door from this guest bedroom right there. So this is the guest bedroom that stays intact, and then we have this area. Now, in this area, this is the living room and dining room. This stays as is. What changes is this part of the house. So where you see this wall right here in the kitchen, this wall remains, but in fact we're going to push and demo everything here back. So we're going to enlarge the kitchen, enlarge the opening, and it'll come back all the way to this wall. Here is the existing kitchen. So again, everything here gets demoed, including the laundry room in this section. So the whole thing gets opened up. This area here also gets removed, demoed, including the steps outside. So this whole area comes out, as you can see, and then we step back again, this whole area goes, this whole section gets blown out, and we extend the kitchen to this wall over here. This whole area will get demoed, and this whole section, not this wall, but everything in this room shall get demoed. And this is another bonus room. So this whole closet gets blown out because we're extending the house in that direction, and we're bumping out the wall in that direction, as I showed you at the beginning of the video. And then kind of like re-space plan, this whole thing gets demoed. Again, this whole section, walls get demoed. This section of the wall gets demoed. This section of the wall would get demoed. And then to space plan the construction phase. Okay. Walking right through. And all of this you will see on the plans. Okay. Have this like this. Okay.